Efficiency in small tube processing just hit a new benchmark. Introducing the Golden Laser S09 laser tube cutting machine. Specifically engineered for tubes ranging from 10 to 90 millimeters, the S09 combines high-speed dynamics with global C-standard safety. Fully automatic bundled loading for tubes up to 7 meters and 1.0 ton, maximizing throughput with zero manual effort. Don't let the size fool you. This laser machine is built for speed. Its lightweight, high-rigidity design allows for extreme acceleration, cutting cycle times on small geometries by up to 30%. Precision beveling made easy. The S09's oscillating head ensures perfect tube jointing and superior weld quality for a truly seamless finish. Chuck avoidance cutting, reduce tail end waste. Smart floating support intelligently adapts to tube rotation to provide dynamic stability and enhanced precision for long tube processing.